Hey true fan, this is Phon-Er vlog 26. This is Ari Gold. Just want to say what up. I just stepped outside. This whole entire day has been super gloomy, and finally blue sky. So it was time for me to show my face to the world. And it's right now it's 4 o'clock, and I've been kind of homebody doing editing since 8 a.m. when I woke up. So you'll see a few videos the next 12 hours, not just one, but 2 or 3. Because I've been like doing that all day. And yeah, we're now heading to Coffee Bean because my friend Chris, the king of Coffee Bean, just called and said his phone was just like literally going crazy, haywire. So he was like, "You're the only person that I can actually ask to do this because no one else knows what's going on." So I was like, "Okay, cool, I'll be there." And so I'm gonna go ahead and see what's going on there. He said his phone is like, he can't really touch the screen. I'm guessing it's a screen or something, so I'll just give him a free screen as a friend. And that's the benefit of being a buddy of mine. If you're my friend and I consider you a friend, you get free screens. So just giving you a little heads up to kind of become my friend. I'm totally kidding. That's only if and only when and only if it's meant to be for us to ever meet. But yeah, but friends get free screens. So we are heading out now to Coffee Bean, and once we get there, we'll see what Chris is doing, how he is besides the phone, how his health is, etc. So keep you posted then. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back. True cut to the true fam. Hey guys, I just got to the Coffee Bean. As you can see, that's the Coffee Bean right there, and I'm just waiting for him to get here. I think he's inside waiting for us. So let's go and find him and see what his phone is acting for. Bad phone, right? Hey guys, see you inside.
That's close.
Hey guys, we're finally here. That's Chris, and that's his phone. Chris, this is gone. No.
You're right.
Oh shit, this it is.
All jammed up, man.
The fuck, it doesn't work. Chris, are you okay? Are you sure that the phone is working?
Shit, I had 4 people trying to do something because I waited for Rappy's dad to call me today, and
Oh, so the call's not coming through?
No, I can't even.
Oh, the call comes, but you cannot like answer it.
They tried to do. Alright, hold on. There's the button at the bottom to call out. It says +2 on it. Oh wait, I'll just punch in my number.
Again?
Did it go in?
You only get when the 2 numbers. 1 second.
1417.
Let me see this.
You know the buttons at the bottom to
14
messages and to call.
There you go, 1417, and you're in.
Right.
And then what else?
See the +2, and I hit it.
Oh no, the +2.
Nothing happened.
Yeah, okay. So what happened is the bottom of the screen is not working.
And the top here
No,
too with the slide.
It's literally this one works, but this one doesn't.
But the slide doesn't. You shut it off and say slide.
Or I guess that part doesn't work either. Probably. You let me see. Yeah.
Sliding.
So what it is the top and the bottom, it doesn't work. Okay, cool. Let me go grab a screen, and we'll just swap it. It just means that the touch is gone. The touch. So yeah, it happens. It happens. It's just funny that it's only partial because I mean usually the whole thing is off. You know.
Yeah, something. I could get into. I got into music. My music.
Yeah, no, I mean the thing that I noticed, Chris, is like that part is not working, the top part, and then this like the left corner.
Yeah.
Everything else works. Yeah, you see, like if you hit the message button.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
The one next to it.
Okay, I'm gonna go and grab my stuff and then just
Let me get you something, man. What do you want?
No, it's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so it is the screen. Just the screen just lost its touch, which means that it's the digitizer that is gone. So we need to give him a new screen. I got a brand new screen for you. Alright guys, we're starting the repair for Chris. That's the phone. It's just the thing doesn't work, the touch. So when you touch it, it doesn't work. Just a bad digitizer. So we're gonna change that right now. Change it.
I'm sorry because the banks are dead because the banks are not paying
Your car might be like a Mercedes compared to some stuff. Alright guys, we're all done. That's Phon-Er, Phon-Er Gold. Thank you for watching. That was iPhone 5s the repair, and we'll see you back with more repairs. Thank you. That's a cut. Hey guys, and we're out. We just finished Christmas fun that you just saw, and we are driving home to edit that video. Plus we have other videos that we just finished earlier, and I was just about to upload that, but he called me, so I had to come and save him. So I'm gonna go home and upload that, and so you guys can see it and enjoy. Put this away. Alright guys, I will be back with some more footage as the day unfolds. This is once again vlog 26. Alright, Gold, Phon-Er, and stay true, True Fam. Thank you for watching. For the True Fam, that's a cut. Peace. I'm out. That's a wrap. And we're out, guys. Thank you for watching. Alright, Gold, I'm out. Vlog 26. Peace. Cut. That's a wrap.